Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily download Toon Blast application on your iPhone. So let's jump into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by launching open your App Store to get started. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Toon Blast and search. Look for this application from Peak Games and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. After a couple of minutes, you will be able to download and install the Toon Blast application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.